Good morning. Plants grow all over the world. Plants are found everywhere on the earth. Plants grow in different types of climatic conditions or different types of environments such as forests, mountains, marshy areas, water, etc. Plants are having different adaptations. Adaptations are special features which allow the plant to grow in a particular area. A nature of a plant is called its habitat. Some plants grow on land, some plants grow in water. The plants that grow on land differ from the plants that grow in water. Plants can develop many special features which are called as adaptations, help the plants to live in a particular area. Our lesson is how plants survive. We will learn about classification of plants, aquatic plants, types of aquatic plants, terrestrial plants, classification of terrestrial plants and insectivorous plants. According to their habitat, the plants are mainly classified into two groups. They are aquatic plants, terrestrial plants. Again, aquatic plants are classified into two categories: floating plants, fixed plants, underwater plants. Terrestrial plants are again classified into five groups: plants on mountains, plants in plains, plants in deserts, plants in marshy areas, plants of the grass family. Let us learn in detail. The plants which grow in water are called as aquatic plants. Already we learnt aquatic plants are of three types: floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. Floating plants, size and weight. Floating plants, the plants which float on water are called as floating plants. Size and weight. Floating plants float on water due to their small size and light weight. The common examples of floating plants are water hyacinth, wolffia, pistia and duckweed. Fixed plants. Fixed roots, long stems, hollow, light and flexible, structure of the leaf, tiny pores, leaves and flowers. Fixed aquatic plants. The roots of the plants of fixed plants are fixed at the bottom of the water. The stems are long and reach the surface of water. The stems are hollow, light and flexible. Structure of the leaf. The leaves of these plants are broad and flat with waxy coating, tiny pores. Stomata present on the upper surface of the leaf. Leaves and flowers. Leaves and flowers of these plants float on the water. Fixed aquatic plants. The common fixed aquatic plants are water lily and lotus. Underwater plants. Underwater plants are fixed to the soil at the bottom of the pond with the help of their roots. Stems and leaves. Stems and leaves of these plants remain fully underwater. Structure of the leaf. The structure of the leaf of underwater plants is thin, narrow and ribbon-like. Stomata. The underwater plants' leaves do not have stomata. Exchange of gases. Exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen occur directly through the surface of the leaf. Hydrilla, tape grass are common examples of underwater plants. Terrestrial plants. The plants that grow on land are called as terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants grow in different climatic conditions. Where the plants grow, the terrestrial plants are mainly classified into different groups, such as plants grow on mountains and hills, plants grow in marshy areas, plants grow in deserts, plants grow in forests, etc. Plants grow on hills and mountains. The plants which grow on hills and mountains are generally tall, straight, and cone shaped. They are called cone bearing plants. The cone shape of the plant help the plant to slide off snow easily. They needle shaped leaves. The plants are having needle shaped leaves which helps to slide off snow easily and to prevent from water loss. These plants are called as coniferous plants. The cedar, pine and fir are some common coniferous plants. Plants in plains. Weather is very hot for the year, most of the year in plains. The plants may be herbs, shrubs or trees, branches. The plants which grow in plains have many branches, broad leaves. The trees are having broad leaves which helps to capture the sunlight. Evaporation, transpiration. The broad leaves help in loss of water. The excess water which is given out of the leaves through stomata is called as transpiration. Evaporation keeps the plant cool during summer. Autumn, spring. Most of the trees shed their leaves in autumn and grow new leaves in spring. The most common examples of trees which grow in plains are banyan, mango, neem, etc. Plants in deserts. Desert is hot and dry. It contains sandy soil which is unable to hold much water. There is a scarcity of water. To conserve the water, the plant is having modifications. Modification. Green fleshy stem store water and food. Leaves modified into spines. It prevents the loss of water and it also protects the plant from grazing animals. Preparation of food. Photosynthesis is carried out by green fleshy stem. Water absorption. The roots go very deep into the soil to absorb the water. Plants in marshy areas. In marshy areas, soil is clay-like, sticky and wet. There is no enough air for the roots to breathe. The special type of roots are called respiratory roots. Respiratory roots grow above the soil to breathe sufficient air. The plants which grow in marshy areas are called mangrove plants.